legacy income on steroids exposed.
Hi, I am Daily Pay, and I'm gonna blow your mind.
I am Legacy Builder, and I will build you an empire.
I am automation, and I am going to fly even when you're AC.
Hi, I am Instant Profit. I am going to pop into your bank account like lightning.
Hi, I am Recurrent Income. I am going to get you to reach the stars.
Hi, I am Community. I am going to be with you forever on every platform.
Hi, I am 2-Hour Workday. I am here to bring my parents home forever.
Introducing the explosive 7 bulletproof powers of the 6-figure blueprint program. Daily Pay. Earn $900 plus daily and enjoy the financial freedom you deserve. Legacy Builder. Join a proven program that has generated over $7 million in profit in just 59 days. Automation. Utilize our fully automated system to streamline your income process. Instant Profit. See 100% instant profits with our straightforward, beginner-friendly approach. Recurring Income. Build a sustainable, recurring income stream that provides long-term financial security. Community. Thrive with the support of a vibrant, like-minded community. 2-Hour Workday. Achieve your financial goals with just 2 hours of work each day. Unlock your future legacy with a jaw-dropping free video with our powerhouse inspirational 7-figure mentor that's ready and waiting for you to take action. See you on the inside.